6 minus 3 parenthesis 2 times 7. 6 minus 3 will give us 3, then parenthesis 2 times 7. Then we are going to work with our parenthesis. 2 times 7 is equals to 14. Then we have 3 times 14. 3 times 14 will give us 42. 42 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us have the right answer to this question. First of all, we are to work with our parentheses, which is 2 times 7. 2 times 7 will give us 14. Then we have 6 minus 3 times 14. Now we have subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 3 times 14 will give us 42. Then we have 6 minus 42. 6 minus 42 will give us negative 36. Negative 36 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.